Welcome to the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer tutorial for setting the system parameters. The tutorial video is part of a series to help you to use the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer. The GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer is powered by a 1-cell 18650 Li-ion battery less than 3600 mAh. The battery can be charged over USB. When charging, the low bar in the first digit is on. At completed charging, the top bar also in the first digit will be on. When turned on, the software version is shown. Next number is the usage count, and the last is the system parameters in short form. Long pressing the scan button will enter the system parameter settings. The first two settings configure the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer for using two types of weight balance weight beads. The first one is typically for aluminum rims and of the adhesive type, and the A stands for this type. The second one is typically for steel rims and of the click type. The S stands for this type. The third is 10 degrees step size. The GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer will turn for each measurement. This is most commonly used. The fourth is 5 degrees step size. The GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer will turn for each measurement and is used for very accurate measurements. The fifth is GR symbol and is used to select the metric system values such as gram and micrometers. The last is OU symbol and is used to select the imperial system values such as ounce and mils. You probably noticed that the three system parameters are flashing before and after each setting to confirm the system settings. The selection is made by short pressing the scan button. The metric and imperial setting is chosen at first use of the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer and will likely never be changed again. The 10 degrees selection is likely becoming the default value and is also rarely changed to 5 degrees or opposite. This depends on your preference. So in most cases, only the selection of the type of balancing beads will be done in cases or never, as many started using only the adhesive types. The system parameters are then often changed only on the first two settings. It is important to understand that the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer is self-calibrating, so no calibration settings are needed, and this is done each time, so the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer can be moved around between measurements. The final settings here is now 1. Adhesive type balancing beads. 2. 10 degrees step size. 3. Metric system. This completes the setting of the system parameters. Thank you for watching the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer tutorial for setting the system parameters.